Hi, I'm GPehrson, and I'm going to be doing group problem 4C, which is solve using the quadratic formula. And our question is 3z squared minus 2z equals 3z minus 10. So what we're going to need to do first is simplify this because we want to get 0 on one side. So we're going to minus 3z and add 10, and also minus 3z and add 10 on both sides. My writing is a little bit sloppy since I don't know the styles, but that's okay. So now what this is going to give us is 3z squared minus 5z, since minus 2 and minus 3 is minus 5, plus 10 equals 0, which is what we want. Alright, so now what we're going to have to do is plug this into the quadratic formula, since our question is solved using the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And what we're going to need to do here is plug all of these in to our quadratic formula, this being a, this being b, this being c, and see what we get. Alright, so now we're going to plug this into our quadratic formula using our, as we described before, our a, b, and c coefficients. So a would be 3, b would be negative 5, and c would be 10. So what we're going to need to do for this is plug this into our equation which we discussed earlier. So we're going to need to plug this into x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what this will become is z equals 5, because negative 5 negative is 5, plus or minus the square root of 5 squared. Oh, I don't have enough room. 1 second. Sorry about that. This is going to be z equals negative, oh wait, no, just 5, plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times 10. And what this is going to get is all over 2 times 3 because of a. And what this is going to become is our answer, but we need to simplify first. So what we're going to need to do is simplify. Sorry, but there are a couple of loud people in the hall right now. And so what we're going to need to do is z equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 25, since 5 times 5 is 25, minus 4 times 3 times 10. And what this is going to become is minus 120, because negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 times 10 is negative 120, all over 6. So now we need to simplify just a little bit further to find the determinant, which is going to be this part in square roots. And so what we're going to need to do that is z equals 5 plus or minus the square root, and 25 minus 120 is negative 95 over 6. And we're actually technically done, because since this is a negative inside of this square root symbol, since it's a negative and this is the determinant, the entire answer is going to be imaginary or have no solution. So that's how you do this problem. Thanks.